Hi viewers, welcome to Shaker's Bio Factory for NEET. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notification. In this video, I am going to explain some of the general characters of phylum Arthropoda. The name Arthropoda, it indicates arthros means joint, poda means appendages. So the organisms which consist of jointed appendages in their body, these are kept under phylum Arthropoda. It is the important fundamental characteristic feature of phylum Arthropoda. Some of the examples. So these are categorized into different categories. In this, the first category is economically important insects like apis is also called Apis indica. The common name is honeybee. So honeybees can collect nectar from different flowering plants, and this nectar can be stored in the form of honey. It is a sweet substance. It is useful for economical purpose. The second example, Bambyx, is also called silkworm. So these silkworm can secrete silk threads from their body surface, and these silk threads are commercially useful to us. The third insect, Laxifer, commonly called lac insect. So this lac insect can secrete some of the resins called lac. This lac is commercially useful for various purposes. The second category is vectors. The name vector, it indicates the transmission of diseases from one person to another person, especially some of the arthropoda members like Anopheles. These Anopheles, it transmit Plasmodium vivax from one person to another person. Aedes, it can transfer some of the viral diseases like Japanese encephalitis. And Culex is a one more insect belongs to arthropoda. It's a mosquito. It transmit chikungunya from one person to another person, and these members acts as a vectors for the transmission of diseases. The next category is gregarious pest. The name gregarious pest, it indicates the group of insects can affect either plants or other organisms referred to as gregarious pest. So one of the example for this, Locusta, and last example, it is called living fossil. Example, Limulus. So is also called as a king crop. So it is called a living fossil because during evolution, it is the only arthropoda member. It never undergoes any changes. So that this Limulus is called living fossil. The common name is king crab. So these are some examples for phylum Arthropoda. In the general characters of Arthropoda, so it is the phylum belongs to animal kingdom. In Animalia kingdom, it is the largest phylum because in this phylum all insects are included. So nearly 1.7 to 1.8 millions of arthropoda species are discovered. Out of all animals, nearly 2 by 3rd of all named species on earth are belongs to arthropoda. So that out of all phylums in Animalia kingdom, arthropoda is the largest phylum. So these members have some general characters like symmetry. So all arthropoda members can show bilateral symmetry. So these members having a body, the body can divides into two equal halves with only one vertical plane which is passed through their central axis. And these are the members belongs to triploblastic animals. So during development, so all body parts are developed from three germ layers called triploblastic animals, and these are the members showing segmented body. So this segmented body, especially it consists of true segments. The true segment, it indicates that the segments are even observed during embryonic stage called true segment. And all these members showing coelom body cavity in their body structure belongs to coelomate animals. These are the members having organ system level of organization, and in their body to perform different function, different organ systems are present. The one of the important special character of arthropoda, the body of arthropoda members is covered by exoskeleton made up of chitin. The skeleton of these members present outside of their body is called exoskeleton. One of the important material present in their exoskeleton is chitin. It is the characteristic feature of arthropoda members. And in these members, the entire body, it consists of three parts. In these three parts, the first part is called head, and second part is called as thorax, and the last part is called abdomen. So these are the three parts present in their body. These members having respiratory system, especially in these members, gills, book lungs, and tracheal system acts as a respiratory organs for the exchange of gases. So these are the internal gills, and some of the gills which appear like book pages. So here, so both these gills are appeared like book pages called book gills, and some of the respiratory organs like book lungs along with this tracheal system present in their body can act as a respiratory organs. So presence of gills for respiration is one of the important characteristic feature of arthropoda members. Coming to circulatory system. So all arthropoda members showing open type of circulatory system. And another important character, these members having sensory organs. This sensory organ is called as antennae. Along with antennae, eyes are present. This eye, it may be compound or simple type. So this antennae acts as a sensory organ in their body along with eyes. Along with this structure, statocytes or balancing organs are also present in these members. Coming to one of the another function like excretion. So the arthropoda members perform the process of excretion with the help of a specialized structures called Malphizian tubules. So these Malphizian tubules are attached to their alimentary canal, and these Malphizian tubules helps to collect undigested or digested waste materials from their body, and these materials are excreted to outside of their body, and the process of excretion takes place with the help of Malphizian tubules is also one of the important characteristic feature of phylum Arthropoda. Coming to reproduction. So all arthropoda members are dioecious in nature, that indicates unisexual animals. In these animals, both male and female individuals are separately present. At the time of sexual reproduction, the male insect it release their male gametes into female individual, and the process of fertilization take place inside of parental body is called internal fertilization. First time these are the members acts as a oviparous animals. So the oviparous animal it indicates after fertilization the fertilized zygote it will be lay in the form of egg, then eggs will develop into young one. Such animals are called as oviparous animals. So during sexual reproduction, the process of development of young one, it may occur directly from eggs. Sometimes the process of development is indirect development present with the larval stage. So these are the reproductive characters present in arthropoda members. So some of the main important characteristic features of arthropoda members is presence of jointed appendages, exoskeleton made up of chitin, so gills to perform respiratory function. Along with these, Malphizian tubules helps in excretion function. So these are some important characteristic feature of phylum Arthropoda. Thanks for watching.